So now we will move towards making our next application in which we will learn how to use images in an Android app. So what I have here is the default Hello World application, and the first thing I will do is I will just delete the Hello World text view so that now I have a clean blank slate. Now I also, for adding an image, I need to add an image into drawable. So I'll go and select the image which was provided along with this assignment, and I will paste it into drawable. So the moment I press Ctrl V on it, it shows up, and I will just add it to drawable. So once I add it and I click here, I get the image that I added here. So this is the image that is it. So now once I have it in my project, I can go ahead. So I will first go to layouts and go to a linear layout vertical and add it. And once I add it, so my linear layout vertical is there. Okay, so now I will go to images and add an image button. When I add an image button, it asks me which image do I want to specify. So it is showing me the Taj Mahal one. So I will add the Taj Mahal image. And now I've added the, once I've added the Taj Mahal image, so this is my image button, and on the image button the ID is image button, as I can see it. So this is perfectly fine. Now I also want to say that when I click on this image, I should get some details about the image. So I'll go to a text and add a text view, and maybe just make it a little bit larger. And this text view, does it have an ID? No, it did not auto populate it, so I will give it the ID text view 1. So now I have two components that I am working with, the image button which has the ID image button, and the text view which has the ID text view 1. Now once my design is complete, I will go to main activity.java, and what will I do here? So in main activity.java, I first need to declare my two parts. So image button, say img1, and the other thing we added was text view. So text view, and let's call it t view. So now once I have declared them, I need to go and initialize them in the code. So like we have been doing it, so img1 is equal to image button because it's of type image button, and then find view by id, r dot id dot the id we gave it was image button. So now I have initialized the image button. Similarly, I need to initialize the text view. So t view is equal to, and that is of type text view, find view by id, r dot id dot text view 1. Now I have initialized both my image button and my text view. Now what we want to do is that when I click on the image, some details about the image should be displayed on the screen. So it behaves like a button also, which is why it's known as an image button. So what will we do? So like we added in a button, so img1 dot set on click listener, and like we did earlier, new view on click listener. And now within the view, what will I say? Within the on click, what will I say? T view dot set text. And what is the text I want to say? It is a Taj Mahal, and it is situated in Agra, India. So slash n will give us a line, a new line. So now I have put my text also. So now once this is done, my coding is over, so I should be able to run it. So now I will go and run it, and the build has started happening. So it's building it, so it will take a little bit of time, so just give it that little time. Now it's indexing and it's installing the APKs. and now it's launched it. So now when I click on the image, what do I get? Taj Mahal situated in Agra, India. And you can see I'm getting it in two lines. So why am I getting it in two lines? Because I put a slash n. Now once you put a slash n means in a text view, the text after it will start from the next line. So this is like a new line. So now I have been able to put a text view in it, and this image acted like an image button, and when I clicked on it, I got the Taj Mahal situated in Agra. Suppose I wanted to add another line to it, made by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. So again I put a slash in so that it comes on the next line, and now when I run it, let the compilation happen. So the compilation is happening and it's installing the APKs, and now the application is there. So now when I click on it, what will happen? So now like an image button, I clicked on it and I got all the three lines. Taj Mahal situated in Agra, India, made by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. So this was our simple app that we have made, in which we have used an image as a button. So we displayed the image and used it as a button. Okay. So what you need to do is follow the same steps and ensure that this application is created by you and it runs successfully. Okay.